Hi, fourth graders. Today we are going to be talking about two different types of graphs, line graphs and line plots. We are going to look at a couple examples and you are going to be doing most of the work on your own today. In your packet, you have a line graph that says hot dog sales. It goes through Sunny's hot dog stand and it keeps track of the number of hot dogs they sold each day. Now, in a line graph, they put a dot where their data point is, and then they connect the dots to show how the line goes up and down. So for this one, you are going to be looking at how many hot dogs were sold each day and then answering questions about that line graph. Line plots are a little bit different. In a line plot, it looks like a number line. And then each vote or each thing that represents that number counts as an X. So in this one, it says Susan makes bracelets from glass beads and sells them online. She charges between $5 and $12 for each bracelet, depending on its size and style. The line plot shows how much she received for each bracelet sold this week. So what it's doing is she kept track of how many $5 bracelets did she sell? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So if I'm looking at this and the first one says, how many $5 bracelets did she sell this week? To figure that out, I just need to count the X's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. She sold 8 $5 bracelets. Then it says, how much did she earn on those bracelets? Well, if she sold 8 and they were $5 a piece, then she earned $40. So you're going to do the same thing and figure out the rest of these answers. The next line plot is about a social studies review game that Miss Finnegan played. She gave her students 10 questions to answer, and they got a point for every question she got right. Now, this line plot shows what their scores were. So, for example, if I wanted to know how many kids got a perfect score, I'd go to 10, and there's one X, so that means one kid got a perfect score. Well, how many kids got 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh my goodness. Look at this kid over here. One kid got 0. Can you believe it? So you're going to go through and answer those questions. The final thing you're going to do is you are going to be making your own line plot. That Miss Smith is a music teacher. She gave her students a 6-question quiz about famous composers. The list below shows the scores her students got. Now we're going to use that information to make a line plot. So maybe the title is music quiz or whatever you want to call it. Now the scores range from 0 up to 6. So that's what we need our numbers to be. And then we just need to count. Okay, how many kids got 0? Okay, 1. Just 1. So I'm just going to put 1x. Okay, how many kids got 1? Just 1. Anyone get 2? Nobody got 2, so I'm going to leave that blank and go to 3. Let's see here. I have 1, 2, 3, and so on. So you'll do the rest for that. Then you are going to just answer the 4 questions about it. And that will be it for your math today. Let me know if you need any help, but I think you're going to do a great job.